United Nations have defined sustainable development as a mode of human development in which resource use aims to meet human needs while preserving the environment, so that these needs can be met not only in the present, but also for generations to come. In the following video, I will use 1881 heritage to explain sustainable development. Before the Hong Kong Marine Police Headquarters compound was moved to Saiwan Hall in 1996, 1881 heritage was used for protecting Victoria Harbour from pirates. In 1994, under the Hong Kong Antiquities and Monument Ordinance, a monument that declared it as being one of the oldest government buildings was constructed. In 2003, Cheung Kong Limited get the 50 years land grant of 1881 heritage. After the adaptive reuse project, 1881 heritage has become a renowned tourist attraction, a heritage hotel along with food and beverage outlets and luxury shops. The Victorian colonial style building characteristic makes 1881 heritage as a good place to represent British Hong Kong. It was a filming location that was chosen by lots of movies, such as Project A, which was directed by Jackie Chan. 1881 heritage is consisted of 4 parts. They are main buildings, stable block, time board tower, and old Kowloon fire station along with fire station accommodation block. When the Marine Police Headquarters was completely constructed in 1884, the foundation of the main building is granite, the shear wall is made by brick, and the material of the roof is timber. 2 towers of the main building were used as the accommodation building for the married staffs, Marine Police Commander, and Captain Superintendent of Police. The building between 2 towers was mostly used as barrack, duty rooms, and control rooms. Time Board Tower was also known as Roundhouse, which is located in highly visible location. This cylinder-shaped structure was used to provide correct time signal for seafaring to avoid straying into wrong direction. Ships can set their chronometers according to the descent of the 6-foot diameter time ball, which is hanged above the tower. With a red brick roof, stable block is the place where the horses live. The tall wooden door is for the passage of the tall horse. A smaller door is set within the door. Caretakers of the horses can go out through the smaller door, while horses can walk through the big door. Duty rooms, accommodation for a senior officer, and the garage of fire trucks is located in the main block. The accommodation block is used as the living quarters of 30 local firemen. After the fire station moved to Canton Road in 1971, the main block was rented by Yau Ma Tei and Tsim Sha Tsui Center and Arts Association from 1986 to 2002, while the accommodation block was used as office and store of Hong Kong Police Force. Nowadays, 2 luxury shops are located there. Cheung Kong Holdings have done a good example about sustainable development to conserve the historical building while adding economic value. Let's look at how Cheung Kong redeveloped 1881 heritage. Some restaurant, luxury shop, and a heritage hotel are located in the main building. The bomb shelter is used as visitors center and Heritage Hall, where Hong Kong Ballet is now holding an exhibition called A Tale of Dance in there. The gas lamppost in the main building is retained. Although the time ball was moved to Signal Hill in 20th century, the structure is conserved. The time ball that we visit today is a replica. Stable block was used as a garage after motor vehicles were being used in 1907. After the redevelopment project, a grill house with the original wooden doors is located there. The original gun was moved to Saiwan Hall new Marine Police Headquarters in 1996. The gun that we visit today is the same model of the old one that brought from abroad to display. The mature banyan tree was surrounded with concrete, covering with granite slab and staircase around it. In the past, the police force changed the original roof into metal roof. In the redevelopment project, the architects replaced it by the original design, rolled tiles on timber batten roof construction. Although we cannot see the imposing Marine Police Force practice today, we can still trace the heritage to find their past and understand the meaning of sustainable development in order to create a better future.